Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm a project manager with ServiceMaster by Zaba, and today we're in the Norwood Park neighborhood of Chicago working in a home that had an ejector pump failure. Whenever we work in somebody's home, we make sure to protect the floor and any contents in affected areas or any walkways to an affected area. Here we protect the floors on the first floor, and we put floor protection on the stairs going down. In addition to protecting floors, we also make sure to add containment barriers to make sure that any dust and debris remains in affected areas, leaving unaffected areas alone. So the utility room is the source room of the home. Since the ejector pump failed, it caused sewage water to back up. As you can see, there's still sewage on the floor here itself. In order to mitigate properly, we're going to have to cut the bottom 2 feet of the drywall, remove the baseboards, pressure steam clean, sanitize, and then dry the flooring as well. In this hallway, carpet got affected, so we're taking it out to this doorway is where it stopped, all the way down throughout. Thankfully, it didn't affect this side of the hallway, but on this side, we will have to take out the baseboards and do a 2-foot flood cut as well. Once the carpet's removed here, we'll also pressure steam clean to clean up everything else. Continuing into the bedroom, water traveled underneath the drywall, affecting the framing here, affecting the drywall, the baseboards, and the carpet as well. Because category 3 or sewage water is so contaminated, you can't simply dry material in place or cut and dry one side. In order to properly mitigate, you do have to remove all affected materials down to the bones of the home. So you want to make sure that framing is exposed, any subfloor or concrete is exposed. That way everything can be dried out properly and sanitized. If you're experiencing water damage in your home, give us a call at 773-647-1985. We'll make sure to send a project manager out who can come inspect and ensure that we capture all affected materials, and we'll be able to help you follow through your claim process.